Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to record your screen with Android phone. I am Tech Adnan with you to show this video how to record your Android screen. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to get update notification and stay with us. To screen record, first go to Play Store and search X Recorder. Here you see that already I have installed these apps and open these apps. Then go to these apps. Here you'll see the play button, pause button, and snapping button, and then you can say setting button. This setting button will help you to control your setting, audio setting, orientation, customize floating ball, voice sense. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till now, who subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to upgrade notification and stay with us. Thank you so much.